Good morning guys, this is Katie and it is the start of Vlogmas. So hi guys, if we haven't met before, my name is Katie. Me and my husband live in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm a primary school teacher and I absolutely love Christmas, so I'm so excited to share my Vlogmas with you all. And if you've been here before, welcome back guys. I am so excited for Vlogmas and I hope that you are looking forward to seeing what the next month brings. So as you may know, this might be a little bit different to my normal Vlogmases. So normally I spend some time in whatever country I'm in. So for the first 2 years I lived in China, then I lived in Bangkok. And to be fair, last year I then went travelling, I didn't go home, but our plans of going home this Christmas obviously will not be happening. So it is just me and my husband for our Christmas this year. We are going to enjoy the festivities and try and do as many Christmassy things as we can in Bangkok whilst teaching. But today is a fun day. It is the first day I am organising advent calendars. It's actually Monday the 30th of November. I thought I would record one day ahead just so I can be ahead of like editing and stuff like that. But so yeah, so actually December starts tomorrow, but I'm gonna organise advent calendars. I have got 2 advent calendars I'm organising this year. One is my husband Callum. A few years ago when we lived in England, he did like a present a day thing, and I thought it was about time I did one back to him. So he's gonna have a little gift every day. And then for my class, I've got something slightly different. So I will show it to you later when I do it. And actually I am going to show you each of the activities each day, but I'm not going to show you them all at once because it's come to my attention that I have some students on here that are watching me. So hello students, if you're watching this as it goes live at 9 o'clock, go to bed. It is already too late for you, but thank you very much for supporting your teacher, that's great. So yeah, it's Monday, I have a free period first thing, but I have about 45 minutes until the children come in, so I'm just going to organise my day, make sure everything is set up, and I shall show you my day as I go. Also, just as a side note, before I get started and before all of the kids show up, I want to quickly show you the decorations at my school because they are up. We have a big tree in our quad and it's not completely decorated yet because the kids do it, but I just want to quickly show it to you because it's so cute. Guys, let me know in the comments below, what is your like Christmas jam? This is what I listen to every time. Right guys, so I've registered my class. Do you know what? I'm gonna hang on, I'll put you down because I'm going to chat for a little bit. My class, I can't tell you how much I love my kids. Like, it's so nice being back in class full time. I did find being in lockdown with my class last year so difficult, but they just like make me laugh every day. Like, they're so cute. But so some of them had found out that I had a YouTube channel, and two of my boys started telling me today that I needed to like trying to give me the most impractical advice on how to be a YouTuber, and things like I needed to take out, their idea was I needed to take out a loan of $1 billion back and give it to a homeless person so I looked good and therefore would get more subscribers. Like, that was that's their big goal for my YouTube channel. Like, they're just so cute. Like, I just love my kids. Anyways, on that note, it's a free period because they all go to languages, so I have got some time. Now, not showing off, but it's actually report season and assessment season and tracker season. I have done all my assessments, I have marked all my assessments, I have done all my trackers, and I've done all my reports. I'm feeling quite happy right now, I'll be honest. Which means I have a bit more kind of free time to do other stuff, because at the moment in class we're doing a lot of like finishing off this big project that we've been doing for the last 2 or 3 weeks, so it's quite nice, we can just kind of carry on. So I need to go through their fantasy stories. We've been writing fantasy stories, so I need to go through them and kind of just give them some feedback on it, but I am going to start setting up my advent calendar and Christmas decorations. So every morning for like the last week or so, I've given the children different like Christmas decoration type things to colour in or cut out or whatever, and I now have amassed a collection of Christmas stuff. so I will be putting those out after school today. But I wanted to show you my advent calendar for them because I like it. If you're in my class, stop watching because otherwise you're going to win the surprise. Okay, so basically I wanted to do an advent calendar for them with like different activities each day. So I've like printed off some of these. I've actually just printed them off on paper in front of me. I'm gonna cut them out and like fold them up and put them in an actual advent calendar, like with a candy cane in it each day, and a different child will pick them out, and there's loads of like different activities. These are kind of hints of what the activity will be. Apart from it's Christmas fair time, I feel like that's quite self-explanatory, but these are just kind of hints of what the activity is going to be for them to do. And I just thought it'd be really nice. We have a different Christmas activity each day. Some of them are just kind of ranging from like little things that we'll do in class, others kind of more of a project or fun whole lesson type thing. But I thought this would be a great way to enjoy the Christmas with them. So yeah, I will get that ready at the end of the day today and show you that what it looks like when I finish it. But I'm quite excited for this advent calendar, and each day I will show you what we are doing for that day as well. Right, decorations are done, all ready to go up later today when the children go home. Now I need to mark their spelling books. The joy of a Monday morning. I'm sure no one else is finding this interesting, but I love reading like the kids' sentences. How cute is this sentence, guys? Teacher heart melting right now. So in class, I teach year 6 and we are looking at relative clauses, and this child put, Miss Katie, who is a good teacher, always wants us to be silent and work hard. With even a little face as well. It's so cute. Hi guys, so it is now lunchtime and I feel like my morning hasn't stopped. Sorry, I'm going to tidy whilst I talk to you. So it is lunchtime. The children had a really nice morning actually. I had that free period where I got quite a bit done. Then we were doing our fancy maps for art because we're quite far behind and we need to catch up. We've missed a few lessons. Then we have reading where we're reading Narnia. And then we have maths. Now I'm gonna have my lunch. I've just got some leftover pasta from dinner last night. I've been in like this pasta pesto mood all weekend. Like all weekend I was craving it. So then last night I made myself some for dinner for me and Callum, and then I think I'm gonna have it again this evening because I'm quite boring like that. So I've got some of that for my lunch. Then we have got a dance rehearsal for our Christmas concert, and then we have literacy after lunch, and then it's the end of the day, and then I'm going to decorate my classroom. So I'm very excited for that. Eat my lunch and I shall see you in a bit, guys. And just like that, it is the end of the day. So I am going to set up my Christmas decorations. I will show you my advent calendars as I go. Let's go, guys, let's go. Essential Christmas music, check. Christmas decorations, check. Right, I'm back. So I had to stop filming for a bit because my cleaner came in and she was very confused as to why I was throwing tinsel everywhere. So I disappeared and had a chat with my colleague about some work, and now I'm back to do some more decorating. My students have been making these mindful colouring decorations. So in the morning sometimes I do some mindful colouring and they really enjoy it. And I actually did some decoration ones and then got them laminated and they've come out really well. So I'm going to put them up around the room, and then they've got some other like 3D stuff they've made, so I'm going to put those up and then I'll show you the advent calendar. Right guys, so I'll be honest, did not manage to kind of finish my decorations today. I have put the tinsel up, put the tree up, put some lights up, and put their colouring up. They made a lot of like 3D banners and shapes and stuff. I'm not quite sure where to put them and I haven't put them up yet. I think it's a lot of like putting string through things. So I think I'm going to do that tomorrow morning when I get in, because it's now like 4:15, which for an international teacher in Bangkok that starts at 7:45 is quite late. So I am going to quickly show you. Also, I have 14% battery on my camera, so that is why I'm talking so quickly. I'm going to quickly show you my advent calendar. Okay, so I got like this really kind of basic advent calendar, 1 to 24. I have 23 children in my class, which works out perfectly. I am going to hang this on the wall, and basically each day I am going to put in a candy cane. I'm not going to put them all in straight away because they're not going to stay. So every morning I'm going to put a candy cane in, and I'm also going to put in an activity. Now some of these activities are a little bit more kind of school related, so we've got a few things that like sorting out similes and metaphors that are Christmas related. There's a few kind of like reindeer brain busters like which we'll be doing, which is quite fun. Then there's also some stuff that's like decorating and thank you cards to people, and there's a bit of like making things and art stuff in there as well. So there's lots of like different ideas in here. I basically use things like Pinterest and Twinkle to get lots of different ideas. So tomorrow it's beginning to look like Christmas, and they are going to be making these 3D snowflakes. So I will show you that tomorrow, but I'm just going to simply fold this, pop it in number 1, pop a candy cane in it, and then tomorrow when a child comes in, I'm going to choose a name out of a hat, and they can go and choose number 1, they can have the candy cane, they can read the thing, and then during the day I'll go, okay, so it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and then I'll go on to tell them what we're doing. So yeah, that is my plan for that. So these need to stay with me, my candy canes need to stay in my drawer. Yes, now I need to go home. I'm gonna have some dinner with Callum, and so for his one I need to wrap his gifts. I bought a load of wrapping paper off Lazada, which is kind of like Amazon but really cheap, and it hasn't arrived yet. I'm hoping it's arrived by now. If it hasn't, I've got some backup like colourful tissue paper which I will use for the first present or two. Yes, I'm going to stop talking, I'm going to pack up, and I shall see you at home. Guys, so I am home now. It's a little bit while later. I've just kind of done a bit of tidying, like nothing major. We have because in Thailand you can get a cleaner in your apartment and it's really like affordable. So we have a cleaner probably coming on Wednesday. So I just want to kind of give the place a little bit of a clean. But I've just got some of Callum's Advent stuff out, so I wanted to quickly show you what I was doing for it. Okay, so this is the stuff that I've got for Callum's Advent. Basically, I'm going to wrap all of this up and put it under our Christmas tree. We don't actually have a Christmas tree at the moment. We're going to go to the Bangkok warehouse tomorrow and pick one up. and I ordered wrapping paper and it hasn't arrived yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of these gifts for tomorrow, which I'll show you in a minute. The rest of them, there's like, I'll show you what I get like him on the for each day on the way. But it's like little things like this, like favourite stuff like this, and just random stuff. I will show you each day, but I figured I'll put these in boxes. I've got a few more extra things I need to get him for the 24 days of Advent. I think I'm on like 16, 17. So I need to get him a few more little things. But I'm going to wrap up this gift now with just some tissue paper. And then tomorrow I will wrap all the gifts. And then once the tree's up, put them all under the tree. That is my plan.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with boots and tick.
Right guys, so it's now like 7:30, dinner is just cooking. I decided to have that pesto pasta I mentioned earlier. I love pesto pasta, it's like my favourite thing in the world. I cook up some like Richmond sausages, which we get from like a Western shop here. Oh, beautiful. Anyway, so we're gonna have that for dinner. We're gonna watch MasterChef because that's what we do with our lives. And then I'm just gonna relax. And I might try and start editing this video to get ready for tomorrow. We'll see. These videos are going to go up at 9 o'clock every night, Bangkok time. I'm not entirely sure what the conversion is. I will leave it somewhere on the screen. But thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like it, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe for more Vlogmas, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish